Okay, so good evening, everybody. I thought we'll record this because some are not here, so they can also see the video afterwards. So good evening, everybody. Sorry for the slight delay, and thank you everybody for coming and spending this part of the day with us. Okay, so we thought that we should, update the ambassadors, and it has been about 2 weeks. The original idea was to do it once every week, but there was nothing significant. So we thought that there is something, and we should come up and give a status report of what is happening. So that is the purpose. We'll try to keep it as this as possible. This is a registration count, and through health ambassadors, to all of you, 1,007 registrations have come, which we are very thankful. Directly through whatever purposes, we have got 263, and through corporates we have got 466, and international are 12 and 11, direct and 11. Okay, so that is where we are in terms of registrations. Registrations have slowed down in the last about 2 or 3 weeks after the initial push, and we have also not been pushing it very much, but now we intend to again push the registration, because we have found out that even if you start doing from say November 30th, it is about 8,000 steps a day. So, again, it's not very difficult. So, and many people have finished, and we are allowing them to again, again go back and set the targets for themselves, So this. We launched the companion app, and there were, issues in the app, which we acknowledge. And we arranged sessions for people to troubleshoot. Over 50, 70 users came to those Zoom sessions, and they sought help. We did about 6 help desk sessions, and the team has spent several man hours on emails, WhatsApp messages, SMS. I must really thank my support team, Anish and Anita. I don't know if they are here, but definitely Anish, Anita, Sagar, Hiral, Ishan, Shilpa. They have been reaching out completely, and wherever there has been this, a very, very personal level of support has been given. And this, I will say, not I want to be proud of myself, but I'll say that it is definitely extraordinary in terms of the support that has been given to runners, to participants who had issues. This is the top registrants by health ambassadors. Jessica is at 74, Chef Rajiv is at 73, Anirudh is at 71, Roshni is at 46, Kaushik is at 46, Brijesh. There are 4 at 46. I don't know how coincidentally all 4 are at 46. Munir is at 43, but Munir and Jessica are kind of, together. And Disha is at this I can't see the screen. Okay, so the Disha is at this. Okay. International registration also 40. Okay. Because this bottom, this bar is not covering it. Sorry. Okay, so Disha is at this. So this is the top people. In terms of the bottom number of people who have registered, Mohit Sharma, Ritesh, Jai, Simanta, Digant, Brijender Vats, Rituraj, and who's the last one?
Prakashwani.
Prakashwani. Okay. So they are at this. Okay. Many people wanted refund, and they were not happy with the refund. They were not, this. So wherever refunds were required, we immediately did the refunds. And Prakashwani had bought 2 registrations. He has taken both of them. We have refunded both. They both were he and his wife. Okay. Chef 74, 31 have been refunded. Roshni Rai 46, 16 have been refunded. Money 1, Kshitij Velapure 2, sorry. Azan Singapore Wala, Anil Panchal. So wherever refunds have come, in almost all cases, Kaushik Panchal won. In almost all cases, on the same day or on the immediately next day, we have done it. It just depends upon this, and when it came during the course of the day. Next working day, we have made the refund. And in the case of international refunds, we have to remit money to a separate account, and then from there the refund happens. So that takes about 2 days because we have to remit the money, then pay you, confirm, and then we have to make the refund. So international refunds have been done within say 2 or 3 days maximum, but domestic has all been done within the very next day, next working day. This is the situation of the books, and this 604 people wanted the books, and 582 have been dispatched. Medal 820 means 404 are only book. Okay, 820 are book and medal. So out of the 390 has been dispatched. Kurta 336, that is book, medal, and kurta. So out of that, the kurta 150 have come. First order has come. The dispatches will start now. They have come in stock, and the second one will get immediately after this. So that also we have been dispatching. The 604 little bit gap is there. Those have come very recently, or some of them have taken a digital option and all that. So that is why this. But otherwise, more or less 100% of the deliveries has happened. The medals also, whichever have come later, are in production because we are customizing them, and because of rains, the wood gets a little bit damp, so the laser doesn't get done properly. Some medals have got wet, so because of that, there is a slight delay because of the weather. But otherwise, that also we are not delaying. I mean, whatever is there is getting done as soon as possible. Companies, Canon India, TVS, they have all registered their employees. Continuously, we are reaching out to them, and that is also happening. 10 NGOs have been enlisted through India Cares Foundation. India Cares Foundation, I told you all in the last minute meeting, has come on board as a philanthropy partner. For those who don't know what is India Cares, Procam conducts 4 events: Mumbai Marathon, Delhi Airtel Delhi, TCS World 10K, and Calcutta TSK 25K. So India Cares is the philanthropy partner for Delhi, Calcutta, and Bangalore. That is TCS World 10K. And United Way Mumbai is a philanthropy partner for Bombay. Okay, so India Cares does for all the 3, and they work with about 220 NGOs, and every year they raise about 110 crores. And they have already, we just did about 2 weeks back. Meena was here. Meena is the CEO, and she went back after all the understanding and signing the MOU. So in about 2 weeks, 10 NGOs have registered, and more are all on the pipeline. Every day NGOs are coming and registering. So all these NGOs, CSO, sorry, will benefit. They will sell to the corporates. Corporates will give money under CSR. So the event will not only benefit the people who are walking and improve their health, but it will also benefit the CSOs, and through the CSOs, the beneficiaries. So if Child Heart Foundation gets money because of this event, some child will get some cardiac issue resolved in one way or the other. So that is what is being enabled by all of you. Okay, by all of you. And somebody in Lucknow might post about 500K. Somebody might post a video or post this, and some corporate employee there, maybe TCS or somebody, will get motivated, and some child CSO in Lucknow may reach out, and that person will say, yeah, my company, I'll tell my company, I know it's a good thing. So it is a very there is a law of unintended positive consequences, it is called, which means you don't even know what good you're doing, but all of you collectively are doing this good, and somewhere or the other people are going to this. They may not be directly attributable to you, but people are going to benefit in a very large way. We have already done the payouts. Many of you brand ambassadors must have already got the credit. Our idea is that every month we should start paying out. Over and above those CSOs which we have listed through India Cares, we ourselves have 2 CSOs where we are giving 10 rupees for every registration that comes. And this is not, nobody has told me. I'm doing it on my own. So one is the challenging ones of DP Singh. We have worked with DP Singh. Major DP Singh was a Kargil war veteran for a very long time. I know him from the time he started running. First, Airtel Delhi in this, I kind of supported him and played a key role. Whenever he came to Bombay and took part in the Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon, he has stayed in my house. I have taken him. He has come back to my house. So we have a very long relationship. So I felt that some money must go to him because I know he does very sincere work. So that money has gone to him, and this is all from the registrations. And Avani Trust is the trust that is setting up the school in Kolhapur, and Tushar Gandhi is a trustee and setting up the school under Gandhian principles. Okay, so that much money has gone to them, and all this has happened collectively because of all the work that you all do. And the idea of this meeting is to thank you all for this, and to the health ambassadors, whatever we have promised, we have given out. And if you all keep pushing, then of course this payout will keep happening more and more. So what does the 500k do? What are the value drivers? Look at the 500k. It gets those who are sedentary to walk. We don't, unfortunately we are very poor in our in our social media all the time, but we get so many positive messages. And these positive messages are from people who started walking, who there are people who are like running, but they have told us no, because I myself, okay, I myself have now become conscious of how many steps I take. Because on the days that I run about say 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers, 15,000 steps. But on the days that I don't run and I'm doing say body weight or gym workout, I'm not doing the steps. Okay, so I become this. All these people, we are helping them to fight comorbidities. They are drawing inspiration from Gandhian values because the app has got a lot of text that has been put together. There are quotations. There is a book and there is a diet advice with the diet log. Some people have read the book. They have come back to me. They have said, Venkat, very nice book, very simple book. But I'm happy that I did this. Some people I know are keeping the diet log and are monitoring what they are eating. The tea code medal is with the original Sutli Mala, as we know. Every kurta that is ordered, feeds one family for one day. So one handloom weaver, we do charity, and we are right, and we should do charity. Mass participation events do collect a lot of money as charity, but each kurta gives money, gives feeds one family handloom weaver in Bengal who are following, because one family makes two meters, and that 2 meters is what one kurta requires. So indirectly, every kurta registrant is supporting one family for one day. Besides getting his kurta, which is cheaper than Khadi Bandar or Fab India or any of them. Okay. The challenging ones at Mahatma Gandhi Foundation are benefiting the two NGOs. The app helps to relieve the journey of Bapu, draws inspiration, takes him to the 22 shops, gives you content. There are two motivational quotes that come every day. One general health motivation quote, one Gandhiji quote. There are photo certificates that come out 22 days, and many people share them on social media. And the purpose of that is, of course, that one is there for themselves, there's bragging rights, but for others who are in their circle, they will draw inspiration, they will come and join. And if they come and join, then depending upon whatever they do, these two NGOs which are there will get some money. The various NGOs that are there, who are part of the event, will get some money. If they order a kurta, one family will get supported. So these are all the benefits that are coming out of it. Motive quotes are there, photo certificates to motivate others, a range of options to capture steps. And I know that there has been a bit of a misgiving on this, but you also put manual entry. We get messages that no, I don't want to enter manually. I say, what can I do? I mean, the only thing I can do is that if you don't want to do it manually, then I'm willing to give you a refund. And with this, Milind Soman has joined us. He took a lot of questions. He asked a lot of issues, and then he said, "Yes, okay, I'm willing to join you," and he has joined us. So with Milind Soman being there, and he's going to start getting even more active. With this a plan that has been laid out. There's a even more active, and more and more people. I mean, it'll go all over the country, and that he has a very large reach. So that is going to happen. There's a corporate leaderboard has been published, and that took some time because of technology issues, but that has been published. And you can create a leaderboard within your group. So if Munir wants to create the leaderboard within his participants, and kind of do a thing and monitor them, that is now possible. And India Cares Foundation has enrolled 10 CSOs. So this is all the good that is happening in various ways. And none of this would have been possible if you all had not come on board, and if you all had not, supported the event in the way you all have been supporting the event so far. This is a company we keep. Milind Soman is on board, Major DP Singh, Tushar Gandhi. I have not made a mention and this, but some of you may know Dilip Jayaraman. He was the CEO of Procam. So Dilip Jayaraman is now, he left Procam about 1.5 years back. He's a freelancer and he's on board, and he's, bringing all his contacts to help grow the event. Meena Dave is the CEO of India CAS, and she is on board to do the event. So the people, the brand ambassadors, the kind of NGOs that have come, the kind of scale that we are building, is that this is going to become a very big event. Yes, we had a start and we had a false step in the start, but at some point of time, all this is going to get resolved, and the future is going to be very positive. And there is so much of good work that is going to happen. I am saying that even if some people start doing things ethically because of the Gandhian influence on them, the country will be that much better, the society will be that much better. Forget losing weight and reducing comorbidity and all the health benefits that will come. This is a bunch of the NGOs that are there. We already gave you the names, but these are their logos. These are the companies that have registered their employees. Nancy and Hiral are continuously in touch with them. Titan Track, as you know, has come on board as a gifting partner. So they have given us 100 watches to gift. So that also we will now kick off from September. We will find out who are the people who have made a post, and if they have made a post on social media using Titan Track, then they'll be eligible for a lucky gift. They will get a watch, which will be, I think this watch is about 18,000 rupees. The watches, the models that have come are triathlon model. So it has a GPS, it has swimming, cycling, running, everything. Battery life, I think, is about 10 hours or 12 hours, and people will get those watches. So that is what this event has made possible, and that is a high level summary of things. Okay, now I want to come to the part that is on the WhatsApp group, and I want to address that. Not that I'm shying away. There are a couple of points that should be made very clear, and I'm recording this so that it is available for everybody who wants to view it. Willing to go on record. First of all, there is a lot of this that Venkat kyun nahi bol raha hai? Venkat kyun nahi bol raha hai? Okay, I want to make it very clear that when Hiral responds, Shilpa responds, Pratiksha responds, Ishan responds, Sagar responds, they are responding on behalf of an organization. Okay, the organization is U2 Can Run. It is the organization that is putting this event together. Venkat is, yes, he's a brain, he's a leader, he's the founder, he's everything. But I always say, even when we have internal member of the month certificate, very early somebody had said employee of the month. I said it should not be employee, it should be team member. Okay, so I do not like my team members being addressed as staff by anybody. I take very strong exception to the usage of that term. They are not my employees. They all have independent capable. They are equally capable of doing things on their own. I have to appreciate them. Even people like Nancy, people like Ishan who have come to us as interns, I do not. I behave with them in a respectful manner. Okay, so one is that. So if they respond, it is my voice that is responding. Okay, that is one. Second is, I have a restriction on how much I want to spend time on digital media. Okay, you will see that on Facebook, I don't keep updating all the time. You see that on Instagram, I'm not updating myself all the time. My team is doing that for me. My team is monitoring. My team is telling me what is happening. Okay, and if I give them a certain thing, their response is equal to my response. It is an organizational response. Okay, that is point number one. Point number two is that for every single feedback that happens, every single post that happens, the organization does not go behind people and try to keep responding to them. Tu maine mein nahi ghus sakta hai organization. Okay, there was a post from Satish Menden that why Venkat is not responding. Correct. I want Satish Menden, and I will post this link to him, that the Hindu, for example, of which he is the marketing manager, gets a lot of flack. The Hindu went after Rafale deal, and because of that, lot of people, the BJP, they went after Hindu. They said Hindu is not a Hindu paper, etc., etc. All that happened. Does it mean that the Hindu management went after everybody who talked negative about Hindu? No, they have a stance. They communicate their stance. Okay, so this is point number one. Do not think that organizations will respond like individuals. Okay, organizations will also take time to respond. Okay, if there is a post, if there is a issue, there are various stakeholders. Okay, Pratiksha has to make a creative. Venkat's opinion has to be sought. Sagar is a tech guy. He has to understand what has happened. Okay, we have a tech vendor who has to be told that this is happening. This takes time. So an organization response will not be as prompt as an individual response, and in the WhatsApp group there is an organizational approach to communicating back. Okay, so this has to be understood. Okay, the next point that has come there is that certain people are continuously negative. Okay, for whatever it is, they have taken a negative stance in life. Okay, certain people are positive. Okay, and they write whatever this thing. Okay, now there is a demand that please monitor that fellow. Okay, there is a post that is Roshni here. Roshni has put that in Hyderabad we did the race verification, and why we are not doing it here. My response to that is that every event has a certain norm and a certain design. Okay, we have done the same kind of evaluation that I have posted in Hyderabad, which we have done. We have do it for all our races. Wherever we find people are cheating, we debar them. We put them in a blacklist for 5 years. They cannot take part in our races. Okay, we do this. Nobody has told us to do this. Correct? Because those are prize money events. They've got timing match, and people race and get money. Okay, that event requires that. We did an OZY event where it was this: you do whatever you want to do. You write, you don't get any prizes. We do not go and check. When Techno event happened, which was a virtual event, and there was prize money, we verified the performance. And when we found that one fellow was falsifying his records, we again went public because it was there. In this event, we are not going to do that because it is a honor-based event. Okay, we are not concerned whether you have done 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 steps. If it is physically impossible, we will say it is physically impossible. We have put a limit of 25,000 steps. Up to that, we are checking. Okay, but if we find that it is consistently happening, we will allow it to happen. Okay, if that person is cheating, he's not cheating me, he's cheating his own conscience. Okay, so that is our take. We will not go gunning behind people whose performances may appear something out of the ordinary. That is one. There is also a demand to share data of performance on the back end, and Sagar has been asked why 3 days it is taking. Okay, my response to that is that the data that is shared through Strava, through Garmin, we have an API registration. We are a developer. Okay, we are under an obligation that data is being shared by that participant, whoever is that participant, to us for the purpose of the event. It is not public data. So I cannot share that public data to somebody else because he thinks that this is wrong. Okay, so the data will not be shared. Okay, so this is my collective response to several posts that have come on the WhatsApp groups and to several posts that have come in social media. And I thought that I should make my point very clear about what is going to happen. And if certain people feel that only that aspect ki steps barabar capture nahi ho raha hai, okay, is a very big negative thing, we are giving the money back. Okay, we are giving the money back. Roshni has posted that I can file a consumer court case. Roshni, if you want to file a consumer court case, please go ahead and do it. Okay, just remember that I am a chartered accountant. My wife is a solicitor. That is one. Second is that whoever doesn't want and is not happy, we are refunding the money. Once their money is refunded, there can be no cause for complaint. Okay, and there is no consumer court that will hold up this for, because the money has already been given back. The contract is money. The money has been given back. The contract ceases to exist. Okay, so some of these posts that are coming in the WhatsApp group are not worthy of being responded. That is why I felt that I must call a Zoom meeting, record the meeting, and put it in my own voice, so that everybody is clear about where we are. Okay, and if people are not happy, if people think that nahi, a step counter is the most important thing, ye nahi rahega to event nahi chalega, we are sorry. There are a lot of NGOs that are benefiting because of this. Because of certain negativity, we cannot spoil the positive things that are happening in life because of this event. Okay, and these steps, we at some point of time, some technology will happen, some debugging will happen, and the team is working on the back end. Don't think that we are not trying to work, we are just quiet, and this, if there's no response, it doesn't mean that nothing is happening. Okay, so it means that we are trying to solve some things, but some things are not being solved. So we are providing other options of adding manual entry, etc. Okay, there was a post by chef that if they want to enter manually, we are not concerned. Okay, we are giving the money back. You don't want to enter manually, okay. but but today in life, we do so many things manually. At one time, whenever I go to the airport now, I'm supposed to take the baggage tag, pin it up myself manually, and then go and give it. Earlier they would do it for me. तो हम लोग तो काम करते हैं ना खुद का. तो technology in fact is making us do many things. But if somebody doesn't want to do it manually, it's fine. If that is the only value that they think, that is the automated capturing of the performance metrics, then sorry, there are options, but it depends upon whether you want to exercise that option or not, and we are happy to give you the money back. Okay, so I have completed my report and where we are, and my collective response to everything that is happening in the WhatsApp group. And I am open to questions. I am open to interaction. Please raise your voice, unmute yourself. Floor is yours.
I think I have. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, how to enter manually?
My team will help that. This is not a help desk.
That part.
This is not a help desk solution. My team will help you with that separately.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
The tool works. There is a manual.
Bhaskar will reach out to you.
Right, sir.
I also want to add another thing, that when we do events like this, there is crisis. Okay, and crisis will happen. Murphy's law will hit. Okay, we have done so many good events where people have been extremely thrilled, because of which we have a brand name in the market. But we have had a fair share of mistakes also, and I will not be shy of blaming them, of accepting them. Kranti Salvi is here. She knows how we bungled up in customs. Okay, in customs marathon, again, let me tell you, it is not, I will not take names and put this, but the signages were not delivered. At 4 a.m., we came to know the vendor cannot deliver the signages. We put volunteers. It couldn't happen. Okay, it couldn't happen. It didn't happen. Kranti Salvi ran all over the place. She ran with Commodore Swaminathan. Okay, Commodore Swaminathan knew the route. He took Kranti correctly. Kranti Salvi finished the event. Okay, in the customs. Okay, that same Commodore Swaminathan, who knew that we had screwed up customs marathon, was the person who did the Navy marathon for 3 years with us. उसको मालूम था कि इमलो का गलती इमलो का नहीं है, गलती दूसरा किसी का है, इमलो के ऊपर गाली आ रहा है. But we cannot name the vendor because that is a different thing. Correct? And Kranti is here. She knows how we handle the customs. I should also tell you all that after the customs marathon was not well handled and we got a lot of flag, for 3 events after that, we sent free registration to 3 other events. कि तुमने customs भागा है, you were not happy, please come and take a free registration in this other event. Okay, 3 other events that we did, we have sent emails, and I don't know, people may recollect, people may. Okay, the question is not that the screw up happened. The question is that how did the organizer react to that screw up? The question is that how do the health ambassadors who are partners in the event, how do they react to the entire situation? That is what is to be, one has to step back and take a decision. Let me give you another instance. TCS World 10K about 4 years back. Anybody from Bangalore here? Anybody's here from Bangalore? Okay. TCS World 10K about 4 years back, 4 or 5 years back, I don't remember now. The people came out of Kantirava Stadium and the corporate team was to turn right at Kaban Park. The barricade was there, it was not changed. Okay, so the barricade, it looked as if you had to turn left at outside that restaurant. So people turned left, but some of the people knew the route is actually turn right and go from there. They jumped over the barricade. Some other people went on the left and went on this side. So within about 5 minutes, the runners had split half this way, half this way. अभी किसको पकड़ेगा? कौन सा timing में? How do you control? After half an hour, everybody came back to the stadium and everybody squatted on the start gate, and television crew was there, and everybody shouted. And the race director, Hugh Jones, he said security. So when he said security, people got annoyed because they felt that he's calling the police to do lathi charge. Nobody knows the runners. Nobody from Procam knows that. I went there and I pacified. Whatever I did. And this, it screwed up. Okay, mistake happened. What did Procam do? What did Procam do? Procam conducted that 10K component, the corporate rate, after about 2 months in a separate venue and gave the same prize money. उन लोग का 50 लाख का खर्चा हुआ. But they gave the same experience to the people. This is what Procam did. Okay, I can keep going on. Okay, mistakes will happen, mistakes will this, mistakes this. The question is that how does the organizer deal with the situation? Okay, how does he respond? Is he acting in favor of the participant, or is he acting against the interest of the participant? Okay, that is one. That is what I want you all to think before you all start shooting off. Tokyo Marathon, it got cancelled because of COVID. They did not give a refund. They said no refund to anybody because they said that is the law, rules and regulation. If the event is cancelled, the money is mine. Correct. Other events have not done like that. They have given the refund or they carried it forward. Correct. So organizer to organizer, aisa hota hai, but are people not going to run the Tokyo Marathon? Everybody will go and run it in the next year. Okay. So the question is that the question that I'm placing to the larger forum, and that is why I've recorded it, is that it is not that Murphy's Law will not happen. Mumbai Marathon.
Venkat sir, may I interrupt you here?
One note. Let me complete. I'll give you an opportunity to speak. Okay.
Because I'm going late for dinner. My family is waiting for dinner since
let me complete and then I'll give you the time. So the Mumbai Marathon, okay. Holding area last year was a difficult.
But this event, just because of the reputation of you two can run. And we were expecting the same
Roshni,
kind of
Roshni, can I complete, please?
And you are just dictating us and making us wrong.
Let me complete, okay?
You are just making us wrong.
Okay? I will give you an opportunity to talk. Please let me complete. Let me complete, okay? Let me complete, okay? So
I'm keeping my family waiting for dinner. Sir,
I cannot do it.
No,
I got an agenda, madam.
I
got an agenda.
Mr. Venkat, may I speak something? Because I think these all things we have already heard from you.
Let me complete this.
This phone call was for something else, and it is not for praising each other. We are here to get some solution from you.
The solution chef is to take the refund and say thank you.
Yeah, so we should have not been promised for all these things, which you are telling us.
You haven't signed
you have promised so much, and then after that,
let one person talk at one time. I'm willing to hear one person at one time.
So I'm telling you that you have promised so much, and after delivering is so poor.
Fine enough. I failed in my this. Okay, I have done wrong. I'm willing to give you the money.
Tell us before, and you could have called for a Zoom meeting, and you could have told that we have failed in our promise, and we are going to do this way.
We are doing it. Am I not refunding?
All the people's
Can one person talk at a time, please?
Who was referring to your people as a staff? I apologize for that. And it would have made everybody's life easy. Had you called for a meeting, once it was known that app was not working as promised, had you called for a team meeting like this, and you have told now it is not working the way you have promised and manual entry will be done, then it would have been so nice experience for all of us. But somebody is acting like a MD and asking us to refund will not happen, this, that, and all. We don't mind your team writing to us, but random people dictating us, which I did not like. Okay. And it is because of your reputation, the work you two can have done in the past. Because of that, I have personally signed up so many friends of mine for this event. and I still don't want your reputation to get hampered. Okay,
Okay.
I haven't gone outside. Whatever I'm writing in the group only, which is created by you. Okay,
Correct.
I haven't gone randomly and telling it. I still want you to run the way it is running, and the reputation to remain intact.
Okay. Thank you, Roshni. Thank you very much. Thank you. I appreciate your sentiment. I really honor your sentiment. I appreciate your sentiment. Thank you.
Okay, I'm
This is-
leaving because my mom is shouting at me.
Thank you. I'm sorry about this. Thank you very much. Thank you, Roshni. I really appreciate. We'll talk separately.
Mr.
Yes,
Venkat,
chef,
it's the
you can,
same
yeah.
feeling with it's the same feeling with me. I
Hmm.
was given a call by one of your team member to join in. The
Hmm.
moment I heard your name, because I only know you in U2K can run, I don't know
Hmm.
anyone.
Hmm.
Okay, I have a big respect for you,
Huh.
and I went and told, like, you can see the names of the people in this thing, which is from my company.
Hmm.
Okay, they are going and talking 5,000 employees of the company that this is the chef who has done like this with us.
Okay.
That there was a promise being given to us. What face I have left in my company? You please tell me. I brought in so many chefs to join in me and do this. What face I have? You please tell me.
Hmm.
It's like it's a किसी को थप्पड़ मारना होता है वो वाली बात हो गई कि you have I have been beaten like that.
Okay.
I am so ashamed feeling now I have been today since morning 3 hours I have gone and called up each and every person to ask whether app is, they are saying sir आपकी वजह से हम नहीं बोल रहे हैं, but they are all saying कि app is not working perfectly, we don't want this app.
Okay.
So I have sent a list today evening that please
Sure.
refund. I can't help it.
Sure.
But
And we are willing to
I would
refund,
have
sir.
I would have appreciated that
Hmm.
if we would have promised less and delivered more. But here the case is that promising has happened too much and
Hmm.
delivering is not happening. And I
Okay.
have been
So let me,
I have
chef,
been-
let me ask you
I have
this.
been no, please let me finish.
Okay.
And I have been requesting, please, can I speak to you because nobody is listening to me.
Hmm.
I have sent you personal message, can I speak to you?
Hmm.
But never happened. So what should one person do? You please tell me. If anybody will be, I have sent you personal message. Means okay, you are busy 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. It's been 3 weeks that you are busy. You can't even take my 5 minutes of call.
Hmm.
If that is the case, then what belief I have left now with U2K can run, because I know you U2K run from you only. India Cares called me. India Cares through ADHM. I have collected for blind children 1.5 lakh rupees just 2 years back. I
Yes.
straight away had to tell them, I'm sorry, Ranjit, I will not be able to tag myself with this now at all.
Okay, sir.
Probably he must have spoken to you. That is what
Yes,
my words were.
he spoke to us.
Yeah, so that is what it is.
Hmm.
Means I feel ashamed. I get a call from people saying, "Chef, app तो काम ही नहीं कर रहा रे, मैं क्या बोलूं यार उसको." I had I had so much of dream when I created my group. It is totally lost. And I was trying to speak to you that what should I do? How do I help them? But nothing was happening. So I lost it. Now I have lost it. That's it.
Okay. Okay,
It must
sir.
be a
What
benefit
I'll do
for
is
you,
that.
benefit for me. It works hand in hand, but it didn't work.
Fine. I'm sorry about
I
this.
cannot. Yeah.
I'm sorry about this. I can only apologize and I give you your money back.
Fine. This could have been, if these things would have been addressed in advance, would have been much better in before.
They are being addressed as and when they come up, sir. As
Sir,
and
but
when they
the
come up, they are being addressed.
But time makes a big difference.
Fine.
I have
So
spoken what I want to
anybody
say.
else? Thank you, chef. Thank you very much.
I would like to leave the meeting because I don't want to
Okay.
continue like this.
Okay. Thank you, chef.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, Venkat, I would like to say something over here.
Sure, Kaushik, of course.
There are a couple of things. First of all, you said, okay, backend doesn't allow you to search the data. Fine. We don't want the data. We are not interested. But then saying something which is totally illogical as a trainer, I feel like how it is possible. When I see the post of a female who is like, uska BMI itna jada hai, I can see uska record. Okay, possible ही नहीं है. And now I am here to believe, okay, yes, she did 18, I don't know, 18,000, 27,000, I don't know how many numbers. Let's not go into the number. But then, okay, you don't share the data, fine. But these members, promoting something which is unrealistic, it's not good for the people who are seriously doing it. It is a demotivator for that. Okay, you're not going to do into this because prize money nahi hai. Fine, prize money nahi hai. What does it mean? You can lie. 25,000 entry. How come the 25,000 step came? 25,000 every day. If I put 25,000, I'll get this thing over by almost 20 days. I don't have to do anything. I don't have to walk anything. Every day I enter 25,000 because the system takes 25,000. 25,000 divided by 500. This is number one. Number two, this is a demotivator. Okay, it's good that you're not put leaderboard, which is very, very good thing. You're not put the leaderboard. But there is a social media where people are posting the pictures. What are you going to do about that? Okay, so that is one point. Second point, right from the first meeting, it was being told, okay, you'll be sharing the leaderboard. Like, the example I'll give, My Samay app of NAB was having a leaderboard. What I was doing personally was that we had 120 members enrolled from Runners Academy. And every day evening, I used to check kaun kitna chala hai, kaun kitna run kiya hai. And that was a challenge for 30 days, run to the moon. Now, similar thing I had requested from Sagar, and you had also promised in the, if you remember, meeting which was held 1.5 months back. Okay, you will be able to see all your 46 participants, and I'll be able to monitor so that I know whom to push and whom not. Now, let me tell you where it really pays as a trainer. I had enrolled non-RA members into this event. They were not the guys who were regular runners. I'd enrolled my wife. I wanted her to start walking. But unfortunately, I got a call from your office. Samsung ka mobile nahi chalega isme. Acha, she doesn't want to use Strava. Kaushik, I don't want Strava. I don't want Garmin. I want my mobile to record this step. It was not possible. The only person from my group to take the refund was me only because my wife forced me to do it. But at the same time, the other members whom I wanted to motivate, eventually from walking, take up running, I'm not able to motivate them. I don't know about my remaining 46 participants. I know only about my wife because I stay in the same house. But what about my 45 participants? Where are they? Eventually, many of them have lost interest and they have stopped walking, and that really pains me. And they have not asked for refund. None of them have asked for refund. Out of 45 people, I've just learned okay, only 20 or 25 are following, remaining 20 have left. Now that is a painful as a trainer. You are investing your time, money, energy to motivate them. Last 1.5 months that have been invested, and it has been wasted just because the leaderboard was not sad with me. So I'm sorry, I'm really disappointed.
Okay, thank you, Kaushik. Have you finished? Have you finished?
I mean,
Kaushik, have you finished?
yeah. I mean, finishing part, I just expressed my point of view. Like,
Fine.
no,
So let me give you my take. Okay. I understand your pain. I understand where you're coming from. I understand that you invested your emotional equity, your brand, and YouTube can run has let you down. Our technology has let you down, and I completely appreciate. I apologize if this apology was not there. I would not have given the money. Whoever has asked, I have given the money. Okay, that is one. Correct. But we must also remember that human behavior modification is not easy to achieve. Okay, how many people join the gym in the 1st of the January, and how many people continue after 25 days? As an example. Okay, so some of the dropouts that may be happening in the group, and I'm saying as a trainer, is because they don't modify their behavior. They come with a lot of josh. They buy snack, this, that. They go to the gym for 2 days, and after that, they give up, and then they blame something in the gym. Oh, waiter, I say, kaani nahi, towel nahi, gilla hai, whatever it is. Correct. So, how much of that dropout? You have to ask yourself this question, and I'm not saying that it is all. I am not to blame. Okay, I am saying that there is a percentage of blame. Not at all. Not denying that, but I'm saying that people also are enthusiastic. They register, but many of them do not complete because behavior modification is a very difficult science. Okay, and they may very well blame it on the app, and it doesn't give me the correct steps or whatever it is, and there are so many workarounds that can happen. The person who is interested will continue. The person who is not interested will use an excuse and drop out. Okay, if they are dropped out, they are not happy. What can I say? I cannot say anything. Today, if you join a gym, nobody is going to give a refund if you drop out. But if you join the my this, I'm willing to give you the money because you're not happy. Correct? I cannot be. Listen to me. Let me complete. Okay, I cannot be more fair than this. If I made the medal, I am sending the medal. Okay, I have kept enough teamwork to help people understand how to do it. For 10 people, 200 people that are complaining, there are 1500 people for whom it is working correctly. Okay, I have got my own training group. In my own training group, I have told my trainees to enroll their entire families. Okay, I have also done the same thing, and I'm in the same shoes as you are. Whether technology works for my group doesn't work differently. It works the same way in each other. Some people it works correctly. Some people it doesn't work correctly. Lakshman Gaonkar and his wife and his daughters and his sister, everybody joined. Okay, 6 or 7 people joined from the Gaonkar family. For about 4 or 5, it is working correctly. For 1 or 2, it is not working correctly. Okay. Now, I don't want to go into the technicals, but the question is that there are bugs being thrown up by the host environment. What is the host environment? The host environment is the phone, the quality of the sensor, the operating system, the permissions that are given, and they are too numerous because the same app is working properly for somebody else. Okay, so it is very, very unique and peculiar to that runner. And if there was a solution, believe me, I would have fixed it. Okay, मैं पढ़ता था नहीं. I would have gone, I would have paid the money, I would have told the software guy fix it and fix it. खत्म करो, झंझट को निकालो. But ये झंझट निकालने जैसा नहीं है, उसका solution नहीं मिल रहा है. So then what do I do? I can only provide manual options so that you override the host environment and add it manually from whatever way you want. Now, I have given all this. If people are not happy, what can I do? I can give your money back. Okay, if listen to me, if the medal is made, I'm willing to ship the medal. Culture करने को तैयार है. Book तो बेच दिया. Correct. So I cannot as a organizer do anything more than this, and I'm really sorry if some of you have felt that this has not met your expectations. That is all. I can only apologize and I can give your money back.
Venkat sir, money back is not the issue. The thing you missed out on the issue what I was referring to. As a trainer, I want all my 45 members to complete their 500 steps. But
Correct.
just because what you had promised 1.5 months back, the leaderboard will be set. That's what I was talking with even Sagar also. Please send me the leaderboard. I'm giving you an example of My Samay app. My Samay app is an app made by NEB, in which
Correct.
I was able to track my 110 participants. But here I'm not able to track even my 45 participants. Now, how do I, as a trainer, मेरा काम है उनको motivate करना. वो छोड़ रहा है तो उसको छोड़ नहीं देना है. I was committed to make them complete. But here in this case, just because your backend didn't reply, and even said this 45 मेरे 45 members के मुझे खाली steps चाहिए थे. I didn't want it to break up also. I just wanted steps and which was promised by you. Wasn't it promised? Say yes or no now. Come on, let me ask you now this question. Tell me yes or no. Was it promised or not?
It was
आप
promised.
recording कर आप recording कर रहे हो ना ये भी
Yeah,
वो भी आपने
promised,
recording किया
promised.
रहेगा.
It was promised.
हाँ, तो why that thing was not delivered since the last 1.5 months? I was after this
Because
thing.
Kaushik, एक minute. Because there were technical issues. It is not that it was not promised. Because there were
Now
technical issues.
because of that, I missed 20 of my members because of the technical issue.
I would request, please be respectful.
I won't be respectful. Those we are very good friends.
See, there are
We are
problems
very good
I'm also
friends.
facing,
We are very good
but
friends.
please don't be so harsh. Please don't be so harsh. I will request everyone. 3 of you I've been hearing. So Venkat sir is listening so patiently. No big fan of him. I'm not saying that I
Look,
like him too much or
look.
that's why I'm supporting him. But the way people are responding, it is not the right way. Let's respect him. Let's understand his problem also. Let's support him.
Look, Venkat, I would like to talk to you in person.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
ठीक है. Okay,
I'm
ठीक
sorry.
है.
Kaushik sir, can I say on this leaderboard part?
Sure, go ahead,
No,
Sagar.
please, I'm leaving this meeting. Please talk to me in personal.
ठीक है. Okay, okay. So is anybody else, do you all want to say anything?
So I would like to say that why that leaderboard is not active for now, because
Sure, tell me that.
others should know that why that leaderboard is not live.
Sure.
So
For
basically,
those who don't know who is Sagar, Sagar heads of technology. Okay.
so basically
sir.
we have leaderboard. We can
Hmm.
make that leaderboard live. Okay. But again, there are people who completed, let's say, in 17 days, 18 days. And again, if you are making this leaderboard live, then those questions are coming like how these guys is completed this thing in like 10 days, 12 days, 15 days. So
Hmm.
this question will raise again.
Hmm.
So basically, if we are displaying leaderboard, these questions are coming. If you are not displaying leaderboard, then why you're not sharing the leaderboard? That question will come.
Hmm.
So this is the issue. So we have a group leaderboard also. We can make live, but again, there is chances like some people may have correct data, some people may not have correct data.
Hmm.
Some random ranking will be there. So again, those questions will come up.
Hi, Venkat. This is
Yes.
Anubhav.
Yes,
this side.
Anubhav. Yeah.
Yeah, I would like to add some points.
Sure, of course.
People who are, questioning about leaderboard and how people did 500,000 steps in 18 days and all. I think in the running world, they also know about 100 days of running. Yeah.
Correct.
So in HDOR, if you see in 100 days, people are running 7,000, 8,000, 9,000 meters. I don't know how they are doing it.
Hmm.
What I believe is that questions will keep coming. I believe that as a runner, one should focus on his own targets.
Hmm.
And being a runner, it gives you more wisdom and more patience.
Hmm.
Others are doing, it doesn't matter.
Hmm.
What you are doing and what you are achieving for yourself, that is more important.
Exactly.
Because if you are talking about leaders board, then you should question each and everything that is happening everywhere.
Correct.
HDOR, that is one fine example.
Hmm.
So many people take part in that.
Hmm.
But if you look at their kilometers, that is not possible.
Hmm.
How are you doing it?
Hmm.
So in that, I would only say that if you are, fitness goal, you're taking up any fitness goal, it should be for yourself.
Correct.
And you competing with yourself to be a better person than, in the
Hmm.
future.
Correct.
So I think questions should not come up.
Both Kaushik and Mayur, 1 minute. Kaushik and Chef have dropped out, and I will point out this to them. I want to make a statement here about reaching out to me personally. Okay, it is fine. I mean, you all can reach out to me personally. I am willing to talk, etc. Okay, but there are two aspects to reaching out personally. One is that my team is being invalidated if you reach out to me personally. What it means is that my team members are not capable of handling the situation. Their answers are not, acceptable. तुम्हारा मुंह से सुनने का है, तो तुम्हारे साथ ही बात होएगा मेरा. Okay, and leaving a meeting in a huff like this is also not professional. Okay, and this is going to be recorded. Not professional. Okay, I may disagree with you. I may have a very strong point, but do I stage a parliamentary walkout just because there is a different point of opinion being expressed by somebody else? I may be totally wrong. I mean, I meaning Venkatraman may be totally wrong, but I have a right to express my wrong point of view. Okay, that is one point of view. Okay, that is one. The second thing is that when you talk to me personally, Chef Rajiv said you didn't reach out to me personally, I reached out to you, etc. Why did I not call him back? Because what it means to Sagar, it means to Hiral, it means to Anish, it means to all the team members who are part of the team that तुम्हारे से होता नहीं है, मेरे से होता है, मेरे को जाके बोलना पड़ा. Correct? So I am using the backdoor, I am sidestepping them, and they will very much be right in tomorrow saying, sir, हमारे से नहीं होता ना, आप ही करो. Correct? Is that kind of a conversation? Is that conducive to building a professional organization where everybody is empowered to deal with the situation? My answer is no, that is not conducive to building a professional organization. U2 can run has to be a professional organization, whether Venkatraman is there or not there. My team members have to be empowered enough to deal with the situation. Yes, I may give guidance, they may come back to me, they may ask me for this, but there has to be, people have to listen to them also. For everything in Google, Sundar Pichai doesn't come and answer. His product manager will come and answer. Okay, so there is a professional approach that we are taking, and we are building a professional organization, and reaching on the back door and having conversations is not conducive to professionalism in dealing with the situation. That is why I have not reached out privately to them. Okay, go ahead, Anubhav. Sorry about this. Anubhav, please
Yeah,
go ahead.
so
Continue.
yeah, actually, I would like to give a feedback for your team. Like many of the people who were, talking about that they had so many issues and it was not getting resolved and all. What I faced that initially when I was, using the app and the steps were not getting recorded. So I set it up in the group, and I'm very thankful to Ishan. He contacted me and he told me like how to use the app correctly. And due to some, updates in my cell phone, due to which it was not getting recorded. Later, when I did it and it started getting recorded. I think it is the human behavior, how you connect with the organizers, whom you connect with. As you said that you cannot, for everything, you can contact the CEO and ask for answers. Frankly, to all the group, I do not know of the organizers personally. Till I am speaking, whatever is the truth, whatever I have experienced. So there is nothing, nothing about favorism or anything. Whatever positive I have experience is what I am sharing. And definitely there are technical glitches. I have been a part of the ADHM team also for organization of, Airtel Delhi Half Marathon here in Delhi. So I know there are issues, there are other issues as well, which everything cannot happen. But one spirit which I like is that you guys are ready to listen. So the team is there, Hiral is there, Shilpa is there, and everybody is there to listen. They respond very positively, even though the people are harsh there, even though how much, no matter how much negative people become, it is nice. Frankly, now also I'm walking and running to try to complete my steps now as well.
Thank you, sir. And that is exactly the kind of thing, the value that the app should deliver. People who don't walk, people who don't run must walk. And for me, I have to look at the general overall perspective of what it is delivering. Okay. If one person ka ek item, angry ho gaya, I'm sorry. I really am sorry. Okay. I'm not saying this just because it's for him. Okay. I really feel sorry that chef, invested in us and it did not, give him the result. Or Kaushik invested in us and didn't give him the result. Or Roshni invested. Okay. But the question is that the situation happened. How do you look at that situation with equanimity, and how do you deal with it? Is my take, and this is what I would do. I would told my team also, be professional all the time. Even if you are being personally provoked in the responses, remember your response is not your response as an individual. Your response is that of an organization. So you have to be absolutely professional in your approach. Is what I've told my team all the time. Okay, and I'll tell this. Mayur, you wanted to say something? You can go ahead. Yeah, Anil Panchal has got his hand up. Sorry, Anil, I didn't see it. Sorry. So go ahead, Mayur. Mayur, go ahead.
The only thing that I wanted to highlight is basically like the objective of this particular thing was basically to make the people who are not doing any physical activity and make them ensure that they are walking around. So that's the objective that we were looking into it. And as a runner, we were not looking at this as an objective. As a runner, we should always keep this particular thing aside, and we should ensure that people who are not able to walk, we should ensure that they are walking. I know there are issues. Even my wife, she is using a Samsung phone itself, and I have registered her, but even her counts are not getting measured. So when I came to know, I've told her to manually do the entry, but she resisted that I don't want to do a manual entry itself. So we are maintaining an Excel in where she is personally keeping a track of that particular thing. So that's the objective that I have met across. Like she is not a sport loving person. She doesn't like me going out for a marathon or anything like that. But I liked it because like she is able to manage the complete steps. So whenever she is there in the house, she ensures that she carries the particular mobile and she keeps that particular track. So that's the objective that I would like to say.
Mayur, let me add, thank you very much. See, the objective is to achieve what is known as behavior modification.
Perfectly right.
Okay, behavior modification of a sedentary person to start walking, to give them a goal, to draw inspiration from Gandhiji. Okay, the objective is not to be a technically perfect app. Unfortunately, the technically perfect app that we thought that we can do has failed, and we have not found. We are working with about 6 vendors now, trying to solve this problem. I do not tell what is happening in the back end, okay? And we are trying to do. We are burning a lot of money trying to solve the problem. We hope it will happen properly, okay? But the problem is eluding us. What do? It worked correctly. We released it to all the brand ambassadors. About 40 people installed it. It worked very well. When it went live, we found that people have all kinds of phones with all kinds of permission. We are reaching out to everyone and supporting them, whenever they reach out to us. But how much customer support can we also give? Ultimately, as a sedentary person, if the person becomes conscious of the number of steps and says that I must walk for half an hour, 45 minutes in the house, outside, in the compound, wherever, I think we have achieved enough. All these people at some point of time will start becoming runners and the ecosystem will benefit.
Surely, sir. Sure.
Correct.
Thanks.
Anil, sorry, your hand is up for a long time. I didn't see. I'm sorry.
No problem. No problem. Thanks. First of all, thanks to the team who is doing an excellent job from backend. We do had a few problems here and there, but then they were solved like within a day's time also. So not a major issues with my team, and around 30 people registered under me, under one international. The international person is actually my brother who's in Toronto. And he's doing an amazing. He's been started walking and he's been going on without any problem as such. As and when he reaches the station, he gives the picture in my group. I've created a group. A few members which I don't know because it was on a social media, which my link was there, and a few people have registered. So I don't know them personally. And from your chart, I came to know that only one person has asked for a refund. So I don't know who has asked for the refund.
We can tell you what,
Yeah, okay. That's not a major issue. It's their call. Okay, I'm not worried about them. But otherwise, the team is doing good. And one thing is there, yes, I was asking Sagar or Ishan, I don't remember now, that I want to know from my team, has anybody has not even started, like, because not everybody is responding in my team, in my group. There are many who is responding that, okay, I've reached station number 13, or I've done 50%, I've done 40%. That's good feedback coming in. But there are some I know have not even started, have not even asked for a refund, and not responding also.
We'll do one thing. We'll generate a report. I think Sagar can do that.
Correct.
We will generate a report of people who have registered under each of these brand ambassadors and how many have come to how many steps and how many have not even started. I think give us a day or two, and I'm sure that from the back end we can generate a report and share it with everybody so that everybody gets.
Correct. So that will be like kind of a leaderboard to me for my team, and I can push them up. Okay. Correct. And I have taken 2 Zoom calls for my team, whoever I have known, and have tried to solve all the problems, make them understand how to do the manual entry and all that. So I think it's working fine. And for personally today only, I have reached Dandi because of my running.
Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. So
sir, again,
yes, sir.
Again, for the benefit of everybody, and unfortunately many have left. Many have not attended in spite of giving them personal messages. Ishan has sent 100 personal WhatsApp messages to 100 brand ambassadors telling them to join, and many have not joined. Okay. So complaint करने के लिए सब तैयार है, but join करने को kind of situation anyway. So that is what the world is. But we are also, many people who have completed, we are resetting the account and we are again allowing them to take part, because if somebody can take part and put a regular step into them, I mean, society का भला हो रहा है ना. मेरा तो उसमें कुछ बिगड़ नहीं रहा है.
Sir, in my team, there is a person, Mr. Poddar, who is 75 years old, and he's doing amazing. He's so excited about this event. Let me tell you, he and his wife, both of them are doing amazing. They have registered, and I put it in the group also sometime. I do post them as and when they reach their stations and all that. So they're very happy. They're all excited about it. Overall, it's good. Of course, I do understand there are some glitches and there are some open issues still, but it is manageable because I have been doing either I use my counter steps using the mobile, or even if I carry my mobile and if I'm using my Garmin, I have synced my Garmin to Strava, and Strava is being synced to there. I had absolutely no problem in syncing, except for one day it got doubled, and from backend I got it corrected. That's okay. That probably it's an operational mistake from my side, but otherwise I don't see any major issues. So thank you very much.
Sir, I would like, sir, if you permit, if I can speak.
Sure, yes, Hiren.
And then, sir, if you go to see most of the people who have taken the refund, you'll be shocked to see that they have not started the challenge, and they are complaining that the app is not working. So this is the actual fact, and Venkat sir would not say it because he's Venkat sir, but he's still giving the refunds.
Yeah, I know. I can understand now what's happening. Anyway, it's their personal call. Can't do anything.
It is a personal call. It's a call of their own conscience.
सर मैं भी कुछ बोलना चाहूंगा इस पे एज ए आईटी, मैं भी आईटी कंपनी चलाता हूँ.
यस सर.
हाँ, बहुत लोग बहुत तरह के फोन्स होते हैं, हर एक का मॉडल अलग होता है, हर एक के हार्डवेयर अलग होते हैं. स्टारवा भी बहुत लोगों का बहुत सारी चीज परफेक्ट रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर पाता. नोबडी इज कंप्लेनिंग टू देम.
राइट.
ठीक है, अब बात है कि हम और आप रीचेबल हैं, इसलिए लोग कहते हैं कि ये नहीं चल रहा, वो नहीं चल रहा. ठीक है, एक टेक्निकल इश्यूज होता है. यहाँ पे आपने एक ये एफर्ट किया कि मोबाइल से भी स्टेप का डाटा ले ले, और यहाँ मोबाइल बहुत सारे डिफरेंट मॉडल्स होते हैं कि कितने के हार्डवेयर ढंग से सपोर्ट नहीं करता, फेच उसके रीजन से नहीं हो पाता. अगर वही और जो जैसे हम लोग कोई वॉच यूज करते हैं तो उसका स्टेप स्टारवा पे नहीं जाता. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि स्टेप्स नहीं जाता. इसलिए आपने एक एफर्ट किया. हम लोगों को भी बहुत लोगों ने कहा, तो हम लोगों ने भी समझाया, भाई आप कर रहे हो, आप करते रहो, जो चीजें पे आपने साइन अप किया वो सारी चीजें मिलेगी. ये तो एक है कि आप इस बहाने से आप मोटिवेट हो रहे हो. तो बात यह है कि हम लोग रीचेबल हैं, तो आप सुन रहे हैं तो लोग सुनाने लगते हैं. बहुत सारा आप अपने मोबाइल पे देख लो, जो गार्मिन यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं या कोई फिटनेस वॉच यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं, कभी स्टारवा क्या पेज दिखाएगा, कभी कुछ दिखाएगा. तो मेरे ख्याल से जो भी रनर्स हैं और प्रोफेशनल रनर्स हैं जो यूज कर रहे हैं या दूसरे को मोटिवेट कर रहे हैं, जो नए रनर्स आते हैं, हर कोई तुरंत गार्मिन या कोई फिटबिट या कोई भी इस ढंग का वॉच नहीं खरीद पाता है. तो इन सब चीज जी मैम.
ये जो क्वेश्चन उठाया गया था कि प्रमिला ने कंप्लीट किया है कि नहीं 18 दिनों में, Pramila had reached out to Kaushik sir on personal chat to share her Garmin details, and she was not even acknowledged. So this is also a fact that
मैं किसी पर्सनल चीज पे बिल्कुल ही नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि कौन क्या किया था, क्योंकि मैं एक ओवरऑल सारा चीज को सुना हूं. मैं किसी को इंडिविजुअल पे नहीं, मतलब एक पूरा मैं ओवर की मैं एक सर जैसे अब इसको क्लोज अप करने जा रहे थे, तो मैं एक टेक्निकल पर्सन होने के मतलब विदाउट टेकिंग एंड ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि मैं वेंकट सर के साइड ले रहा हूँ या मैं रनर का साइड ले रहा हूँ. मैं एक अपना विजन रख रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मैं भी आईटी में काम करता हूँ, मैं भी डाटा को फेच करता हूँ और बहुत जगह चीजों को सॉफ्टवेयर या एप्लीकेशन में देता हूँ. मैं उस समस्या को मैं किसी पर्सनल को मैं ना सर की साइड ले रहा हूँ, ना मैं रनर की साइड ले रहा हूँ. मैं एक अपना विजन बोल रहा हूँ कि मेरे को भी इस ढंग की प्रॉब्लम होती है और ये प्रॉब्लम होता रहेगा. अल्टीमेटली तो ये है कि मोटिवेट करने के लिए इस ढंग का चीजों को साइन अप कराया गया था, और थोड़ा उसी अंदाज से हर चीज को लेना चाहिए. ऐसा वेंकट सर का बहुत सारे इवेंट हम लोगों ने भी किया है, और लोगों का भी सॉफ्टवेयर में बहुत इश्यूज होते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है, और इश्यूज होते रहेंगे, क्योंकि कोई भी आप परिवर्तन करेंगे कहीं ना कहीं टीचिंग प्रॉब्लम आएगी, तो उसको हम लोगों को एक्सेप्ट करना चाहिए. मैं ये कहना चाहूँ, मैं किसी पे कोई पर्सनली टिप्पणी नहीं करना चाहता.
Thank you, sir. We really appreciate. I appreciate your wise words. Thank you very much. And I think it is agreed, and we should not get personal in any aspect. Anil, you want to say anything more? Is anybody else want to say anything more? The floor is open.
No, sir.
Sir, I
Thank
want to
you.
thank your team, sir. Your team is really supportive.
Thank you. I should thank my team also, and I really appreciate your thanks also. Yeah. Day and night, Sunday weekends, on the phone, on WhatsApp, on calls, the team has been completely supportive of the situation.
What I see is that they're working like 365 into 7, something like that, continuously.
I agree with you, and I agree with you, Anil. I do agree.
Yep. Hats off.
Thank you.
Yes, hats off to the team Y2 can run. And yeah, I really admire the patience and the temperament, you know. It's really a testing time, and really everybody has done to the best.
Thank you. Thank you. So basically, the question is that crisis has happened. Question is how it is dealt with, and how do different people react to the same situation. Is what I'm not drawing any conclusions here. Is what each one of you must think and go back and think. Again, not trying to be personal to anybody, but Manohar, do you have anything to say? You have been quiet.
No, I'm okay, Venkat.
You're okay.
Yeah.
Again, if you all want us to keep a, like how Bhaskar had asked, how do we do a manual entry? So if any of your people want a workshop that needs to be created for understanding the app better, please do get in touch with Ishan or Shilpa or me or Pratiksha at any time. And we'll set up a help desk, especially for your group if there is any requirement, or a general one as well. Please do let us know and make sure that your people attend.
Sir, we have gone into individual groups. In the individual groups, we have gone and we have troubleshooted for individual runners of the individual trainers. I think Sagar was in Kaushik Panchal's group, Jessica's group. I mean, this is an exemplary, I'm not saying because of this, this is an exemplary, support that has been given to all the participants. Thank you, Sundar. Thank you very much. Thanks. Thank you. Shall we close the meeting if nobody else has got anything to do? If nobody else has anything to say, then I think we'll close the meeting. Anil, can we close? You wanted to say something?
No, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for a lot of transparency first to do so
No,
many.
it has to be transparent. We have always believed in that. And we have always come back, and customs is one event that didn't go right for us. I will also narrate one incident. I mean, people have left it solid, but it's always nice to hear stories of what happened. We did the SBI Greenathon in Delhi. Okay, it was a Saturday evening. We were giving plants to all the runners. Some 3,000 people had registered at the stadium, and the plants had come. The canteen wala had bought his chole, bhature, tea, everything. The volunteers had come in 2 buses. At night, 10 o'clock, the DCP called us and said the permission is cancelled. Next day morning. Okay. They cancelled. But night 10 o'clock. So we went to the DCP. The DCP has already left. He has just called up his junior, and his junior has been told to convey. DCP not picking up the phone. He is the person to decide whether the permission is not there. Junior has been told permission is cancelled. Night 10:30, this is the situation. So we call up State Bank. State Bank said, oh my God, we'll call up the Home Minister, we'll call up the Chief Minister, we'll call up this fellow, we'll call up that fellow, because they are the main branch, the Parliament Street branch is the main branch of this. So they said, come to the office. At 11 o'clock, 11:30 on a cold Delhi winter night, we went to State Bank of India office, Parliament Street branch. There CGM, DGM, AGM, BGM, everybody came. Everybody started calling up everybody. At 1 o'clock they said कोई phone नहीं उठाता है, नहीं होने वाला है. 10 o'clock we got the message, 1 o'clock we got the communication from State Bank of India कि event होने वाला नहीं है. Okay, and everything has come. Meanwhile, the production तो चल रहा है because you can't stop. Stage चढ़ गया, sound system चढ़ गया, timing mat चढ़ गया, gantry चढ़ गया, सब चढ़ गया. At 1 o'clock we know event is not going to happen. What to do? Runners will start coming at 5 o'clock. They'll get up at 4 o'clock to get ready and to come. By 5:30 is the flag of 21K. Correct? What to do? Crisis. Correct? I am the race director. Everybody is looking at me. Correct? So the first thing we did was that we woke up my people. I think Anita was there. I don't know, Anita is here on the call. और अनिता को बोला पहले ईमेल भेजो सबको कि कैंसल. तो ईमेल रात को 1 बजे 1:30 बजे गया, पर सवेरे उठ के बंदा ईमेल नहीं देखता है, तो एसएमएस भेजा सबको कि इवेंट इज कैंसल्ड. कर वी आर द डेटाबेस. रात को 1 बजे 2 बजे एसएमएस गया. एसएमएस कैन नॉट गो अनलेस द टेम्पलेट इज अप्रूव. वो एक्सोटेल वाले को उठाया, बोला टेम्पलेट अप्रूव कराओ. We want to send the email. So people who are in the business know all the issues. At 2 o'clock, Exotel people approved the template. The SMS went out. The public savere SMS nahi dekhta hai. Correct? So what to do? We started calling up the runners. 21K wale ko pehla phone karo. So now the question is at 3 o'clock. कि उसको फोन करेगा तो बोलेगा मेरे को नींद में से क्यों उठाया. उसको 5 बजे फोन करेगा तो बोलेगा मैं तो ऑलरेडी निकल गया, तो मेरे को अभी बोल रहा है. But we started calling up whomever we could call up. Correct? So all this was done. At 5 o'clock, 30 people came to the gate. Gate is closed because the event is not going to happen. 30 people are there outside. It is a cold Delhi winter morning. Okay, 30 people are there outside. Either chai, nasta, sab, bhaji, aloo, everything is ready here. And other 30 people are there. State Bank of India का एक आदमी आता नहीं है. दूसरा रेडियो मिर्ची was the event partner, कोई नहीं आता है. Venkataraman went there in front of the gate and said that this is what has happened. माँ बहन पे गाली मिला मेरे को. क्या करेगा? Delhi people are very, they have very nice, colorful language. At 5 a.m. in the morning, I heard all the colorful language. I had to only apologize because I couldn't do anything. The DCP has cancelled the permission. What to do? There's nothing we could do.
Similar thing happened in Daman marathon.
So let me complete. So सबको हाथ जोड़ा, 7 बजे तक उधर खड़ा था. जो भी आया सबको हाथ जोड़ा, सबको एक फ्लावर का पॉट दिया. Because वो तो आके बड़ा है. We were giving a tree plant, to plant. It was a green marathon. तो सबको एक 2 पकड़ा. जिसको 10 मांगता था 10 दिया उसको. Correct? Because many people would have seen the email and the SMS, so they will not come. They know it is cancelled. This happened. Okay. Listen to this story. Okay. After 2 months, we decided we'll do the event because the event has to be done. So हम लोग ने university का stadium in another place we took where no VIP movement is there. Did the event. Now again some people registered, collected the bibs. The runners who had collected the bibs for the earlier event, the cancelled event, also came to run the event, though we had refunded the money. So now I've got runners who have got bibs, who have taken the refund, whose RFID chip number is not on the system because they're not reflected as a runner. So I had to tell my team कि तुम सबको allow करो, because now if I stop those people वो और भी सबेरे much होएगा. So the runners who had been given a refund because they had the bib and they saw SBI हो रहा है, they turned up in the morning. So the new registered runners ran, the old registered runners with refund also ran, and I didn't have that data. So now how to declare the prize money? These are situations that happen, okay? And I can keep going on. But what did we do? We refunded the money to everybody. Jawaharlal Nehru mein. 2 months ke baad when we restarted the registration, we again said, people said cancel hua tha, ye hua tha, you all did this, you all that. Sun ke liya. Jo registration hua. And the runners who had got the refund, they came and again ran the event. Unko bhi prize money diya, unko bhi break pass diya. What to do? You have to do it. It does not be in your control. The DCP रात को cancel करेगा. How do I know? I don't know, but he cancelled it. So the question is not that it happened. The question is that how did you deal with the situation? That is what is important, rather than being vehement about it having happened. I can understand your pain, but the question is that how do you deal with the situation? How are we dealing with the situation? That is the takeaway message. Yes, Anil.
No. I think recently there was a Daman marathon, and people from Gujarat and Mumbai, they all went there. Next day they came to know the event is cancelled. So they just came back without any. Of course, they must have received the refund and all that, but then they come from a different states and they go there and then realize the next day event is not happening. So these things happen. I agree with you. Yes, because of the situation. What to do?
What to do? But there the question is that why did the organizer send an email? Did the organizer send an SMS?
Yeah.
The organizer communicate or did he not communicate? That is the question.
On a lighter note, sir, we look forward to a practical event, sir, where we can now COVID thing has subsided, sir.
Sir, we are having about 8 or 9 on-ground events. Dates hai, sab confirmed hai, dates sab naki ho gaya, but we are not announced it because of various things. I'm going a little bit offline and we are going off the topic, but I'll tell you that in Maharashtra the theaters are starting.
Sorry, sir, I have to leave now. I have to go.
Okay,
back.
fine. I'll also stop the recording because in Maharashtra slowly theaters are opening and